We are going to see some productivity apps to use on Android phone. The first is Adobe Scan, to scan documents. Scans are auto-uploaded to Adobe Cloud. The second app is Adobe Acrobat. Read it or open PDF files. It's very good. The third app is Note. It can be used for note-taking. The fourth app is Daybook. It can be used as a diary and journal. The fifth app is Microsoft Excel. A nice handy app. The sixth app is File Manager. One of the best around. It has a very organized menu. The seventh app is Text OCR Fairy. It can be used to convert images to text. The eighth app is Microsoft Word. It's an handy word processor for typing. The ninth app is PDF Utilis. It has multiple functions. It can be used to compress PDF files, convert PDF to images, split PDF files, and other functions. So that's our list of productivity apps that can aid you in using your Android phone. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share and like. The apps are all for Android phones, and they are all on Google Play Store.